How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Tacoma Beast channel, where, as you all know, it's all about the taco. Today we're in Colorado and I'm extremely excited. We're going to be hosting our first Colorado meet here. I cannot wait to have you guys.
Mateo's squeegeeing already, so is Talon. Okay, it's going good so far. All right, Mateo's got his whole panel almost pulled off. No magnets. Talon still has his magnets up, holding the panel. Five minutes remaining. 5 minutes remaining. This is gonna be pretty hard to judge. 10 seconds.
No!
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knives and squeegees down. All right, let's hear it for him, guys. Woo!
No, I forgot the whole cut right here.
This is pretty damn close. Pretty damn close. No bubbles on Mateo's, but Mateo did forget to cut this whole side. Talon does have his full panel cut out. All right. I think I've made my decision. Let's hear it for Team Side. Team Tacoma Beast. So I choose Talon because his panel's all the way cut. This was so close. Talon did have some bubbles, and Mateo over here has a whole edge that he probably could have cut. But Mateo started off strong, man. He was focused and in it.
Oh yeah.
Dude,
I love this song.
Yes. Go to the dunk tank.
I gotta go to the dunk tank. All right, guys, it's time for the dunk tank. $5, you get 3 balls and 1 raffle ticket. We're doing it for the TSC Alliance. Let's do it. All right, guys, how's it going? Are you guys having fun? Yeah. First of all, guys, thank you for coming. Just so you know, it's $5. You get 3 balls and 1 raffle ticket. This is going to the TSC Alliance. For those of you that don't know, TSC Alliance, the TSC is a genetic condition where kids are born with a bunch of non-malignant tumors and they'll appear in different parts of the body. And it really sucks, right? So we're gonna be raising money for them. This is all going towards that. I'm gonna be getting dunked. It's gonna be cold, but I'm happy I'm doing it. So thank you guys so much for the support. We have some guys that have already purchased. I know Dwight from Mountain Yodas. He really wants to get me wet. So I'm not sure where he's at. He's right there. Old man back there. Thank you guys so much for coming.
All right, Mateo, walk the plank. Are your t-shirt on?
What the hell are we feeling, dude? I hope they suck at aiming. Guys, this is so cold. We're doing it for the TSC Alliance.
So close, so close.
Make noise, make noise!
Come on, put your back into it.
That did not touch that. What happened? Who wants to see Mike get dunked? Last line of defense! All right, guys, real quick, before we start the raffle, I have an announcement, something that here at Tacoma Beast we're really proud of, really happy. We've been wanting to do it for a really long time now. For those of you that don't know, Tacoma Beast, it's all about the taco. We became a one-stop shop for everything Toyota Tacoma about 11 years ago. And we've been kind of catered just to the Tacoma, but during that time we've had, guys reaching out to us being like, hey, my wife has a 4Runner, or hey, I've upgraded to a 4Runner. I got the Sequoia now. Do you guys have, upgrades? And for the longest of times, we've had to say no. So as of now, officially, we're starting our sister company. It's called Yoda Force, and we're going to be able to be tailored to everything Toyota now. fellas, the chaos is officially over. Thank you so much for coming out here. You guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button. If you haven't already done so, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Yeah, you better hit that subscribe button. Yoda Force and Tacoma Beast.
Make sure to check out Lucid Raps. This guy kills it with the raps. And next year, I think it's safe to say we want to do it again, this meet.
I think so. That was very good. Comment below.
Let's
Let
make
us
it
know
happen.
if you want us to do it again.
Can't wait to see you guys.
Thanks, man.